What is going on, everyone? Alessandro here, and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis on this lovely Saturday morning, guys. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin and also why I believe that we could see a pullback very soon. So congratulations to everyone that yesterday took that short opportunity. I shared with you my trade, guys, because I went short here with this little dump that we have seen. And the big question is, of course, right now, will we see a recovery very fast, or are we gonna dump more? I'm gonna show you why I believe that most likely this time will continue more. So we're gonna have a look into the indicators, especially if you want to trade the next upcoming moves. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. I update you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is no financial advice. I'm just sharing with you all my analyses and price predictions for the crypto space, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for Solana, and so on. And of course, I'm covering also new upcoming cryptos that are very hyped right now, because some of them are really good in my opinion. And that's why, of course, I'm buying in. And of course, if you want to be following me, the links are here in the video description. Currently, we have Bitcoin Hyper, guys, that is breaking records. We're gonna have a look quickly also into this one, this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that will come out in the next coming weeks and months, and why everyone is currently so hyped about this new crypto. And of course, we have many more. You can check them out all here in the video description. And before we're gonna start with Bitcoin, guys, there is something big going on currently on Maxi Global, because you know that Maxi Global, this is the #1 exchange when it comes to new listing cryptos. So every time that a new crypto is coming out, usually Maxi Global is one of the first exchanges that will announce or list new cryptos, and they also have their own launch pads. So not always you can buy those new coins that are upcoming, like Bitcoin Hyper right now, on their official website or Pepe Node and stake it for a high API. Sometimes they are launching also through launch pads, and Maxi Global has such a launch pad. And currently XPL, this new coin, is also coming out here on Maxi Global. And currently, if you subscribe to the launch pad right now, you can see that already 112 people have subscribed here. You can check out Maxi Global with the link in the video description. I'm gonna put it right at the top. You can sign up to this exchange. If you trade with normal amounts, let's say a maximum 50,000, then of course you don't need to do KYC. But normally, of course, those exchanges, whenever you are buying with more coins or so, then you're gonna need to do also KYC. But otherwise, no need for KYC on Maxi Global. And currently, you can get XPL before the at least half of the price of the regular price, which is 70 cents, and right now you can get it at half price. And you just have to subscribe basically here with USDTs, and then you can get those coins basically at half of the price. Of course, no financial advice, guys. I have no idea what this coin is all about, but I just wanted to let you know that, because currently there is somehow a hype also around this XPL. I have no idea what it is. You can check it out here on the website and so on if you want to get on board into XPL. It is launching now on Maxi Global as well. And of course, most likely also future coins like Bitcoin Hyper or Pepe Node will be launching there. So if you want to get them, of course, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I keep you updated. Then get those coins with the links in the video description, and also prepare for the launch with Maxi Global, guys. Sign up to Maxi Global. The link is right here. I'm gonna put it at the top so you cannot miss out, because Maxi Global is really the place to go, especially for this altcoin season, in my opinion. Remember, no financial advice, guys, with those new coins. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you my own analysis and review about those tokens and what I personally I'm doing, of course. Then if you want to be following me or not, it's your decision, but I'm sharing everything with you, of course, whatever I'm doing here in this crypto journey together, basically. So let's start with Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin had this nice run up into our main resistance, which is coming from the weekly time frame at around 118K. And I told you guys that here we're gonna face serious problems to push higher. Of course, I'm bullish for Q4 of this year. I still expect that October, November, December, they have the potential to go parabolic here for Bitcoin and the altcoins, yes. But of course, on the way to the upside, we could see at any time big volatile moves also to the downside. And sometimes whenever we're entering into the last phase of the bull run, we see also to the downside huge overreactions and huge sell-offs sometimes, before then we go parabolic to the upside. Of course, no financial advice, guys, but prepare for huge volatile moves. And you can trade that, of course, over on Maxi Global, or even on exchanges like Bybit, for example, or Femex. Those are exchanges that I'm using, of course, to trade with leverage all the cryptos that I want. You can sign up to all of them. I always use several exchanges, never only one exchange. Always use several exchanges, guys, because you don't want to risk all your money into one basket, so into one exchange, because in my opinion that's too risky, especially if for whatever reason they would freeze your money or block you or whatever, all your money would be lost. And that's why I'm always diversifying, also not only into different asset classes but also into different exchanges. And you can trade on all of them. And currently, you know that I took a short position, and right now I closed my short because we have currently potential new buy signals coming up if you're trading with my indicators. So everything is cooling off right now. Also here in the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're cooling off, but the problem is that we still would have a lot of room left to the downside if this dump continues and if we don't get here buy signals confirmed, because the next major support here in the 4-hour is here at $114,000 and $113,000 in this area down here, before eventually we could see at least a big bounce from it. And the other problem is that currently on the daily time frame, we are not only getting rejected here at this resistance trend line, but also we were in quite toppy area up here. We were kind of indecision here if we should break out higher or not. At least Bitcoin was like that. This is exactly what we're getting right now. And the problem is that we are getting fresh sell signals here. So everything is turning down right now, and that means that we could see at least a retest here of this $113,000 level, because here we're getting everywhere sell signals very soon in the next coming days. So I expect this week, probably on Monday or Tuesday, to start the drop at least down towards 113k, maybe even lower than that, maybe even 110k. And if we have daily closes below the bottom line of the Keltner channels, which usually is a support during downtrends, then of course the next major support is at the 200 daily moving average at 103k. I expect that here we're going to have a lot of support between 114 to 113k, but watch out for that, guys, because in the daily time frame it looks a bit critical right now. And if we go over into the US dollar dominance chart, here we have exactly the opposite. Here we were in oversold condition, and right now we're getting buy signals here. And whenever we see a buy signal or a good pattern, basically a bullish pattern in the US dollar dominance, this is inverse correlated to the crypto space or to the crypto market or to Bitcoin. And that means that if here we're going to have a pump to the upside, that will be bearish for the crypto market, especially for Bitcoin. Then we should expect, of course, a big move to the downside. So the US dollar dominance is bullish right now. We are getting buy signals here, and that is of course bearish for the Bitcoin price, because whenever here we are pumping, then of course we see the opposite in the crypto space. And also here we can rally in theory all the way up to the top side of the Keltner channels here to 4.5% before eventually then we roll over and continue the downtrend. Because remember, guys, that the US dollar dominance is still in this very, very big falling wedge, in theory a bullish pattern here. And once this breaks out to the upside, then of course we're gonna see a big bear market in the crypto space. But as long as we are within this falling wedge or even break down, as long as this is the case, we have the chance here, of course, to get a massive run in the crypto space. So watch out for that. I keep you updated, of course, every day, whatever is going on, and that's why, of course, be subscribed. And also don't forget, guys, I'm buying currently into more altcoins, also here into the next upcoming cryptos that are so hyped, those new low market cap coins. Bitcoin Hyper is of course the most hyped one. This one, in my opinion, will come out very soon, guys. Currently the price here of this last or at this current stage is very close to the launch price, which is also estimated by the end of this year. And I guess that probably they will make the launch, or at least close the early access phase earlier than that, because based on the stage and the current price and the listing price that it's written on the white paper, we should be seeing the launch very soon. And you can see that now also many whales are investing, probably with some stable coins like Tether or USDC that so far held back. And here also remember, if you want to get on board, the easiest way is always to connect basically a DeFi wallet like MetaMask or any supported wallets here like Phantom wallet. No, Phantom is not supported. I think Solana is only supported if you click here buy with Solana, but otherwise you can use your credit card, or also here buying, for example, MetaMask base wallet, Wallet Connect, or Best wallet. Phantom wallet maybe only if you buy with Solana here, if you click here. But otherwise, if you have some stablecoin around, I used my stablecoins here, of course, to buy into Bitcoin Hyper. They raised over 17 millions, guys. Insane how much they are currently rising and raising, and that's why I bought in, of course. And also with Pepe Note currently still above 1000% the API. This is insane, of course. That's why don't miss out, guys, because I think that the big altcoin season is in front of us. Of course, no guarantees, nothing. And as I told you, we're gonna see all the pullbacks, of course. And therefore, of course, those new coins, they're also gonna suffer by huge volatile moves at the end. But overall, I remain bullish, of course, for Q4 of this year. So stay tuned, guys. Be subscribed. I hope you're gonna enjoy your weekend. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we are going to prepare here for the Christmas, for the birthday party for tomorrow, guys, and that's why I'm looking forward for that. I keep you updated, of course, also whenever I'm traveling, so that's why make sure to be subscribed here, stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.